How y'all doing? Mr. Fix-It here, aka Catfish John. It's nice to see y'all again. I want to thank you guys for checking out the channel. Well, you are currently riding in Lucile. This is my 2001 Volvo XC70 or V70 XC. I can't remember which one it is. I think it's a V70 XC. It's a V70 XC. The Volvo guys will get me on that one. Sorry. I absolutely love Volvo. I've got a lot of stuff coming. I've done a lot of stuff already. I've had my hands on just about everything in this vehicle. And one day I was on my way to work and pulled up to a stop sign, or stop light, sorry. Stopped at the light, looked down at my phone, and started texting, because you know you're not supposed to text and drive, or video and drive, or motorcycle ride, and post selfies to Facebook and drive, you know, whatever. I remember a time in this country when people did all kinds of things to drive. And there was something called a country cruise. And I enjoyed it very much in my younger days. But I digress. We're here to introduce you to Lucile. Hi, Lucile. Hi, Daddy. I'll tell you what, she's rough. She's rough, but she started right up today. She started right up after months and months of sitting. She starts almost every single time I turn this key, no matter how long I let this car sit. It sat for 4 years before I got it. It ain't never had no brakes put on it, not from the factory. It ain't had hardly had the oil change since, I think, 216. I think I got 40K. Got like 40K, 30. I got 30K on this mug. 30K. And most of everything still works on it. Most of everything. Not everything works on it. Yeah, we don't want to get no copyright infringement crap. You know what I mean? But as you can see, the dash boogered. Oh yeah, we need gas. Look, we need gas, Daddy-o, because we're going to put some octane booster in her. Oh yeah. She's going to sit for a while, so I want to run some hot gas through her. Because one day, when I pulled up to a stoplight, see, she don't look like she's in that bad of a condition, right? Too bad, little torn up steering wheel. He needs looking deeper. Oh yeah, that seat's fucked up. Oh, this shit's all broke. The button's gone. Doors are split apart. But anyways, I was sitting at this light, right? And I'll be damned if I didn't start texting, take my foot off the brake, and roll right out into the intersection. And when I did, here come a Ford 5500. We T-bone. Totaled that truck. All it did was bend the fender in the door. That's it. That's it. All it did was dent the fender and dent the door. That's all it did. That's all the damage that happened to it from being T-boned by a Dodge 5500. So she's been my, that's why I call her Lucile right there. She earned her wings that weekend. Ghosters. But this is why she's gonna sit. I started gutting her today because obviously you can see she's got a woody wagon for a window. Ghetto as fuck. But we're gonna wall this thing out. Shout out to EXO. Shout out to Steve Mean. Shout out to all the guys that are doing this big. Lucile and I are planning on hitting something crazy. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do 418s. I don't know if I want to do 615s. I'd love to do the 6 15-inch Peerless Triumphs, you know what I mean? 6, 7, and 3/4 inch coils. Shit. Yeah, you can sign me up. I'm gonna put some gas in this thing, and then we'll get it back to the house and see what we can get shot out like.